Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very special for me personally because it is a stationery collection video. I'm very excited for this video because I have been a huge stationery freak all through my life. But before we begin with the exact video, I just wanted to clear a couple of things. Two things I wanted to talk about. One is that this video is not a show off video where I'm showing off that I have so many stationaries, I have cute pens and whatnot. It's definitely not that, guys. It is not a guilty pleasure of mine, or it is also definitely not something that I have recently started, loving. I have always loved taking notes, and that is how I function. I have always loved pens and stationeries right from my childhood days, and this video is a reflection of that. I have collected a lot of pens and everything like bookmarks and sticky notes and everything, and we are going to see that in today's video. And second thing that I wanted to talk about was most of you guys are watching my video, but you're not subscribing to it. Please make sure that you pause this video right now, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification bar so that you will get notified whenever I upload my next video. And without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Like I told in the introduction part, I buy a lot of pens, some cheap 10 rupees, 20 rupees, gel, ball pens, everything. But in this video, I'm just going to show the pen sets of Faber-Castell, Flair, Camlin. Actually, pen sets that I bought them together. So first, let's start with this Faber-Castell connector sketch pens. As you can see, this particular set that I bought has, I think, 24 or 26 color sketch pens, and I love all the vibrant and pastel colors that they have. The nib of this pen is not too sharp like a fine liner or not too blunt, but they are just the right size. And certain colors, they do not even smudge on the back of the paper, even if the paper is not a good quality or a thick paper. So this is how the entire pen collection looks like. The swatches of these pens look like, and I love them. Now coming to Flair Hotline pens, you can see how this pen is different and beautiful. The body of this fine liner pen is different when compared to the other fine liner pens that we have in the market, and that is one thing I really like these hotliners for. They are so dark and vibrant. If you want to use these pens on a normal thin sheets, I advise you not to use them because they are so dark. But if you want to use it in a high quality paper, please go for it. Every color, including the yellow color, which is very rare, even that yellow is hot. So, I mean, it is dark. So, they are hot. Yeah, basically. That's why they are named hotliners, and you will love them because of the vibrant colors. Now coming to Camlin brush pens, I do have a set of 24 brush pen set, but here I'm just showing the 12 brush pen set that I always have in front of me. I love calligraphy so much and I want to learn it in a proper way. I have taken some sheets of the calligraphy to practice the fonts of calligraphy, so I have a brush pen set always with me. The main reason why I bought them is to learn calligraphy, but I also like using them for highlighting purposes. As you can see, you can use them for thick and thin lines. Again, love their vibrant colors. This is how 10 shades of the Camlin brush pens look like. Now coming to the highlighters. Two sets of highlighters I have. One is Faber-Castell's crayon highlighters. So they are not sketch highlighters, ink highlighters basically. They are crayon highlighters, and just look at the crayon. It feels so nice to use this product, and unlike the normal highlighters we have in the market, they really do work well. I like the first two colors when compared to the green highlighter one because that alone is slightly on the lighter side, but all the other colors, pink, orange, everything is bright, and you can see how vibrant and fun they are. Ever since I have just started using highlighters, I think I started it from my 10th standard or something, and I have been using highlighters ever since then. And Faber Castell is always on the top list. You cannot love Faber Castell's any product, especially their highlighters, because of the light colors they have, and they do not smudge. The quality of them is just amazing. Who does not love octane pens? And when it comes with 10 different vibrant colors, who will say no to an octane pen, right? And rare colors like pink and orange are really dark in this set. So I just grabbed two sets of these pens so that I can use them for highlighting purposes, for taking notes. If you like journaling and if you want to use color pens, and if you have a medium paper quality journal, I suggest go for these pens. These are the bookmark collection that I have. Certain bookmarks are very thick. I bought them in some or the other book fairs that I'm going. Certain bookmarks I do get for free from Amazon, so I store them. You will never be having enough bookmarks, so always it's better idea to store them. And these are some bookmarks that I got from Amazon, and they're not of very good quality, but they work. I use a lot of these two sets, so I stock them up. And I do stock certain sketch pen brands because I have started mandala painting recently. Not the mandala art, I don't do that. I just paint to relax. If you are a college student, office goer, whatever, we can't live without sticky notes. And once you start using sticky notes, you will really understand the importance and uses of it. So these are the individual sticky notes that I have. I love these flag type sticky notes, and I like this particular product because in one bundle I'm getting a lot of different sizes of sticky notes. That is a steal deal. I also get bookmarks with this sticky note pack. So whenever I want to remember any important stuffs for client work or my business work, whatever, I make sure I make a note of it here. Or if I have a bad day, mood swings, I write affirmations so that I can have a look at them and stay positive throughout. These are the washi tapes. They are not technically washi tapes. How I wish I stayed in Japan to use all those lovely washi tapes. These are the best that I can get from Amazon. Certain washi tapes are for 500, 600. That's just not my budget, so I can't go for it. Apart from pens and highlighters, I do collect and use crayons and pencils. When I'm using low quality notes rather than classmates for taking notes, we can't afford to use classmates notes every time, right? So when I'm using those notes, I can't go and highlight it using a highlighter or a fine liner. That will just smudge so bad. So I use crayons and pencils in that case. And unlike other fine liners and every other pen where it just comes with 10 colors, you always get a lot of colors, different shades, fun colors with crayons, and why not use them? This Dome's crayon is particularly very good with all the light and dark colors that they have to offer. These are the normal Natraj color pencils. In one more video, if you want me to, please tell me in the comments section down below. I will make an entire video on how is that I use these crayons and pencils and everything to highlight on my notes. Now coming to the stationery haul part, I recently bought a few stationeries like pens and highlighters from the Stationery Freak, an Instagram brand, and monkey pen, cute little ice cream pens, and whatnot. They write so well, they are so cute, and they are affordable. I really like this particular pen and the feel that I had. It was really smooth. And this is a cute little highlighter. Just wait for the color, guys. It's such a sweet pastel violet color. And this is a fish highlighter, and it's blue in color. You can draw both the thin and thick lines using this highlighter. And just look at how cute these paper clips are. A bird and I think it's a coffee mug or something. But they're so cute, and I do use a lot of free sheets, so I need these clips. They are saver for me. I do need some quirky keychains, so I went ahead and bought it. The quality is not so bad. It's really good for the kind of price we are paying. And this is the cute little note that I got. I just wanted to test if the notes are good, so that in future if I want to buy more I can. I'm telling you, I am going to buy more. The design of this, the cover, the page quality, everything is just so good. And I am going to use this note for journaling purposes. If I want to write any poem, if I want to write down any thoughts, I'm going to use this for that. So the Stationery Freaks is an Instagram brand, and this is the WhatsApp store that they have. As you can see, this particular WhatsApp store has all the details about their brand, their location, when you can message and get a proper response from them, everything. You can see 4 options there: message, call, store, shopping, catalog. So from here you just have to click particular catalog, see what are the different products that they have, add it to your cart. You can also see the different price range of these products, so it really makes your purchasing process easier. I will leave the WhatsApp number and the Instagram store link of the Stationery Freak brand in the description. If you want to check it, you can go ahead and check it. I really hope you liked watching this video, guys. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification button so that you get notified whenever I upload my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Meet you next time with yet another interesting video. Bye bye.